Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we are going to discuss about the upcoming OnePlus Nord. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. The mid-range OnePlus Nord is due to be officially announced in an augmented reality event on July 21st. OnePlus said that the Nord will be a more affordable device compared to its recent flagships and it's initially due for release in Europe and India. Along with the news of the launch, the company has also released the second part of its documentary series about the phone today. You can find the link of the documentary in the description section below. OnePlus says you will be able to use its app to view the launch event in the augmented reality on July 21st at 3 am BST or 10 am ET or 7 am PT. The app will be available for both iOS and Android. OnePlus is also producing some physical invitations to the event, which will give people a unique hands-on experience of the device in AR. Physical invitations will contain a QR code that you can scan to access the AR experience. This isn't the first time OnePlus has experimented with new format for its product launches. It used a virtual reality event to announce the OnePlus 2 in 2015. Although its official release date is still a couple of weeks away, we already have a pretty good idea about what form the OnePlus Nord will take, thanks to a combination of official announcement and unofficial leaks. As well as confirming its name, OnePlus has also revealed that the phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 765G 5G processor and it will cost less than $500. When an image of an early prototype was briefly shown in a recent video from OnePlus, it appeared to have a dual selfie camera contained with a hole punch notch. Meanwhile, the rear of the device has been shown with a vertically oriented camera bump on its left. According to XDA developers, the phone will feature a 6.55-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, 6GB of RAM, 120GB of storage and a 4300 mAh battery with a 30W fast charging. According to an article of businessstandard.com, OnePlus Nord pre-orders will begin on Amazon India from July 15 onwards for Rs 499. Upon pre-ordering, users will receive a gift box containing limited edition merchandise from OnePlus. Pre-order customers who complete the purchase of the device by 31st August will receive a second gift box containing OnePlus Bullet Wireless V1 and a phone cover. For now, we have to wait for 21st July for the device to be released. Please comment your thoughts on this device down below. I hope you like this video. If you do, then a like will be appreciated. Please share this video with your friends and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. See you in the next video. Peace out.